So sum of n terms in AP, already we discussed nth term in AP. Now here sum of n terms in AP. Let A is a first term, A is a first term and D is common difference. Then AP series A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. A plus n minus 2 into D, comma, A plus n minus 1 into D. This is AP series. Okay. So here asking sum of n terms in AP. So sum of n terms in AP, it is denoted with Sn. Sn means sum of n terms. Sum of n terms means we have to add all terms of AP. A first term plus second term plus third term A plus 2D plus fourth term plus so on A plus n minus 2 into D plus A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is Sn, sum of n terms in AP. So this is taken as first equation, and Sn is equal to, I taken first this one. Now I will write reverse order like this, first this one, next continuation like this, last to this one. So A plus n minus 1 into D plus A plus n minus 2 into D plus so on A plus 3D plus A plus 2D plus A plus D plus A. Okay. So this is taken as second equation. So add first and second, then we get, so Sn plus Sn, 2 times of Sn is equal to, so this is one term, this is one term, adding both A plus A to A, n minus 1 into D plus this one and this one, adding these two, A plus A to A plus n minus 2 into D plus D. So minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, n minus 1 into D. Here n minus 2 into D plus D. So minus 2 plus 1, it becomes minus 1, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Plus similarly we get this one here. So this is last term, add this one. So this is second one, this is second one. So adding these two, A plus A to A, n minus 2 into D plus D. N minus 2 into D plus D means n minus 1 into D plus last terms A plus A to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 2 into Sn is equal to, we get all terms are like that only, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So this terms, this one is repeated how many times? This is sum of n terms. So this term is repeated n times. So n of 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So we need Sn, sum of n terms in AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is formula. Sum of n terms in AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. And this is converted into Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A plus n minus 1 into D, that is nth term in AP. That is also denoted with last term also, L. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L, where L is last term. If given series last term, it is denoted with L. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. This is also formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L, where L is last term. See this is an example. Find sum of multiples of 5 in between 107 and 253. Find the sum of multiples of 5 in between 107 and 253. So in solution, multiples of 5 between 107 and 253 are after 107 110, multiples of 5 110, 115, 120, 125 like that. Okay, 253. So before 253 250. Okay, so these are in AP. This is AP series. So here total how many terms are there? First we have to find here how many terms. Not 250 terms. Here not started from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay, here 110, 115, 120, 125, 250. Total how many terms are there? First we have to find number of terms are there. How many terms? So here A is equal to 110. D is equal to T2 minus T1. So D is equal to 115 minus 110. So D is equal to 5. Okay, so we have to find this is AP series. Here from 110 to 250 multiples of 5 how many are there? Okay, so in this series this is last term. So let last term L is equal to 250. What is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 250. What is A? 110 plus n minus 1 into D value is 5. So 110 plus 5n minus 5 is equal to 250. So 5n plus 105 is equal to 250. So 5n is equal to 250 minus 105. So 5n is equal to 145. So n is equal to 145 by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 9s 45. N is equal to 29. So there are 29 terms are there. So 110, 115, 120, 125 like that. This is 29th term. Okay. So sum of 29 terms. So Sn is equal to n by 2 of A plus N. Apply this formula. Why? Because L is last term. Already we know it L value. So S29 sum of 29 terms. So 29 by 2 into 110 plus 250. 29 into 360 by 2. So how many times? 180 times. So S29 is equal to 29 into 180. So sum of 29 terms is equal to 5220. Okay. One more example. Find the sum of 10 terms of AP. Sum of 10 terms of AP 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20 like this series. Okay, so in this series asking sum of 10 terms. So first you have to find A value and D value compulsory. So first term A is equal to 5 and common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. So 8 minus 5 it becomes 3. D is equal to 3. Asking sum of 10 terms. Sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So here 10 terms. Sum of 10 terms. S10 is equal to 10 by 2 of 2a. A means how much? 5 plus n 10 minus 1 3. So here 5 into 10 plus 9 into 3. So 5 into 10 plus 27. So 5 into 37. 37 5s that is 185. So sum of 10 terms in this series, sum of 10 terms, if you add 10 terms in this series, it becomes 185. Okay. And one more important point here, T1 is equal to 5 and that is also equal to S1. S2 is equal to sum of 2 terms, 5 plus 8, how much? 13. S3, sum of 3 terms, 5 plus 8 plus 11, so 13, 24. Okay. So how to get T2? T2 is equal to sum of 2 terms minus sum of first terms, means S2 minus A2. S2 13, S1 5. So 13 minus 5, it becomes 8, that is second term. How to get third term? T3 is equal to sum of 3 terms minus sum of 2 terms. Sum of 3 terms is 24 minus sum of 2 terms is how much? 30. So it becomes 11, T3. We get third term. So similarly, Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Nth term. How to get nth term? Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. If you want to 10th term, S10 minus S9, like this. 10th, sum of 10 terms minus sum of 9 terms, it becomes a 10th term.